What if the secret to protecting your vision from the wear and tear of modern life was as simple as what you pour into your glass? We live in a world of relentless screen time and environmental stressors that constantly assault our eyes with oxidative damage and blue light. But the latest nutritional science reveals a powerful truth. The clarity of your sight is profoundly influenced by the specific compounds you deliver to your eyes through your diet. The right beverages act like targeted liquid therapy, transporting vital pigments and antioxidants directly to the delicate structures of your retina and lens. They can build your natural defenses, filter harmful light, and repair daily damage. In this guide, we're uncovering the most potent, research-backed drinks that can help you sharpen your focus, enhance night vision, and safeguard your most precious sense for years to come. 1. Tomato and Red Pepper Gazpacho Style Juice. This savory, refreshing drink is a brilliant source of lycopene and vitamin C, a dynamic duo for protecting the blood vessels in your eyes. Lycopene, the carotenoid that gives tomatoes and red peppers their vibrant red color, is a powerful antioxidant that concentrates in ocular tissues, helping to shield them from light-induced damage. Red peppers are actually a richer source of vitamin C per weight than oranges, which is vital for strengthening the capillaries that supply blood to your retina. Research indicates that a high dietary intake of lycopene is linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Simply blend 2 ripe tomatoes, 1 de-seeded red bell pepper, a pinch of salt, and a basil leaf for a savory, nutrient-packed juice that supports the vascular foundation of your eyesight. 2. Blueberry and Spinach Smoothie. This deep-colored smoothie delivers a concentrated dose of the 2 most critical carotenoids for your macula, lutein and zeaxanthin. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse of these pigments, which act as internal sunglasses by filtering harmful high-energy blue light. Blueberries contribute a different kind of support with their high levels of anthocyanins, the antioxidants that give them their color, and are renowned for improving blood capillary integrity and reducing retinal inflammation. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that the regular consumption of blueberries can enhance night vision and slow visual fatigue. Blend a cup of fresh spinach, a half cup of blueberries, a banana for creaminess, and a cup of water or almond milk for a daily vision-protecting treat that is as delicious as it is functional. 3. Green tea with a squeeze of lemon. This simple beverage offers a powerful 1-2 punch for eye health through its high concentration of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. These potent antioxidants travel from your bloodstream to your eyes, where they help protect the delicate tissues of the retina from oxidative stress and UV light damage. Research has suggested that EGCG may be particularly effective in preventing the development of cataracts and glaucoma. Adding a squeeze of lemon is a crucial step, as the vitamin C significantly enhances the absorption of these catechins in your digestive tract, ensuring your eyes get the maximum benefit. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea with lemon throughout the day to maintain a steady supply of these protective compounds and support long-term ocular wellness. 4. Kale, Avocado, and Kiwi Green Power-Up. This green drink is a triple threat, specifically formulated to build and maintain your macular pigment. Kale is one of the most abundant sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, while avocado provides healthy monounsaturated fats that are essential for the optimal absorption of these fat-soluble carotenoids. Kiwi fruit rounds out the blend by being one of the highest fruit sources of vitamin C and zeaxanthin, further boosting the antioxidant defense system for your eyes. A study published in Clinical Ophthalmology found that dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin from foods like kale and kiwi is directly associated with improved visual performance and a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Blend 2 kale leaves stems removed, half an avocado, 1 peeled kiwi, and a cup of water for a creamy, potent elixir that directly fuels your retinal health. 5. Goji Berry Tea. Harness the ancient vision-enhancing power of goji berries with this simple, restorative tea. Goji berries are a uniquely rich source of zeaxanthin, with one of the highest concentrations of any known food. This specific carotenoid accumulates directly in the macula, where it is essential for filtering blue light and protecting photoreceptor cells from oxidative damage. Traditional medicine has long prized them for brightening vision, and modern science confirms their efficacy. A study in the journal Drug Design, Development and Therapy reported that regular consumption of goji berries increased optical density of macular pigment in healthy individuals. Steep a tablespoon of dried goji berries in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the potent, vision-protecting zeaxanthin to infuse into your daily ritual for a direct boost to your central sight. 6. Carrot and orange juice. This classic combination is far more than just folklore. It's a scientifically supported powerhouse for overall eye function. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the absolute cornerstone nutrient for producing rhodopsin, the pigment that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Fresh orange juice delivers a massive dose of vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which work synergistically to strengthen the delicate capillaries in the retina and protect the lens from cataract formation. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition links high dietary intake of vitamin C with a significantly reduced risk of cataract progression. Juice 4 large carrots with 1 peeled orange for a sweet, vibrant glass of liquid fuel that directly supports your night vision and the structural integrity of your eyes. Think of each glass not just as a drink, but as a strategic investment in your visual capital, compounding over days, weeks, and years to preserve the clarity, contrast, and color that define your experience of the world. Start by integrating 1 or 2 of these powerful beverages into your routine, and witness how the simple, conscious act of drinking can become your most potent defense in safeguarding the precious gift of sight for a lifetime.